My name is Susan Lohman, and I'm the Crochet Architect. I've been crocheting for over 45 years, and I love to crochet every day. I'm excited to tell you that I'll be teaching some crochet classes at the annual conference of the Crochet Guild of America in July. This conference will be held online this year because of the pandemic, which means you can take classes in the comfort of your own home. The topic of this class is Irish Crochet, which is a gorgeous, dimensional, textured technique. After taking this class, you'll be able to make some beautiful Irish crochet projects like these. The class will be held on Friday, July 23rd from 1 to 4 p.m. Central Time. In this class, you'll learn to make the basic Irish crochet rose and leaf. You'll join your Irish crochet rows and leaves together with a background mesh. You'll also work a simple Irish crochet edging with picots, and you'll learn to use a padding cord to finish off this project beautifully. This is a class for intermediate crocheters, so you'll need to know lots of crochet stitches and be comfortable reading a detailed crochet pattern. Irish crochet is typically made with crochet thread and small steel crochet hooks, but you can use larger hooks and cotton yarn up to a DK weight if you prefer. For more information about this class and all the other classes being offered at the CGOA Conference, check the video description below. I look forward to seeing you in class and sharing my love of Irish crochet with you.